Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this videos we will know how to create a cut opening in any faces, just copying or moving the component. You can see that I have just copied and again it's created a opening cut after placing this window over the faces. Okay, it's very easy that you can create, and if you want to do a multiple copy you have to just move it like that and make it like that. Okay, opening will be done over the faces. So how to do it? So first you have to drawing a rectangle face just like that. Okay, and now what you'll have to do, you have to press R and draw a window shape, a rectangle just like that. And this time I'm just creating it like that, little bit different with arc. It's like that. Okay, now what you'll have to do, you have to select by double clicking over the face and right click and make it as a component. So here you can see the settings. Here it's saying glue to any. You have to select glue to any. Okay, and this option must selected cut opening option. Okay, then you have to click over the create option. Now your window is created. Now you have to just go again inside it, press F and make it a frame like that. Okay, so here I'm pressing B, selecting a glass and just dropping over it to apply glass material. Okay, now what I'll have to do, I'm selecting this face and then press P and giving some thickness like 3 inches or 2 inches. Okay, just like that. Now it's done guys. Okay, now you have to just move it just like that, or just create a copy just like that. Okay, it will follow a same pattern. It will create an opening over the faces just like that. Okay, if you want to place a multiple times, just have to move it in upward direction just like that. Okay, it's very easy. Now you can also modify this window. Just you have to go inside it. Okay, and if you want to create any modification, you have to just do it here. So here I am just creating a frame, extra frame over here. If you will do any modification here, all modification will be applied on all models. You can see that. Okay, just like that. So here what I'm doing, just drawing a face, clicking over here and giving some Android just like that. Okay, now here you can apply a glass material just like that. So you can easily create such opening over any faces by doing this magical trick. Okay, very less people know about this. Okay, and here you can see all the windows will follow changes if you will change in any component. Okay, so guys, this was the nice trick that I have just discovered while working in SketchUp. So which SketchUp tricks you really like most? Please comment in the comment box, and please follow me and share to others this video, and see you next video guys. Thank you.